This video is presented by VoiceOver article. People interested in a 100% refinance are looking to cash out the total value of their homes. This type of loan does not require any down payment and one can use the money for anything that they like. Fixing up one's home, paying off bills, or going on vacation are all legitimate options. When an individual refinances the full value of your home, they are essentially taking out all of the value of the property. It will cost. One will typically be required to pay up to 3% of the home's total value to cover closing costs. Also, because one is using up all of the equity in your home, they will, in most cases, have to purchase private mortgage insurance. However, if one works with a subprime lender, they may be able to get the insurance waived. Refinancing will provide some tax benefits. Individuals will be able to deduct interest and closing costs. To find the very best rates, one will need to do some research. There are plenty of online mortgage websites that will pit lenders against each other to refinance your home. One will be able to compare the rates and terms of different mortgage companies. To speed this process up, an individual should be sure that they have some idea about the value of their home, their credit score, how much debt they have and their income and other assets. This will enable them to receive a realistic quote and give them some idea regarding their options. When looking to refinance the full value of one's home, one may have to be creative with financing. Besides a straight 100% refinance, one might consider refinancing two different mortgage loans. This allows individuals to forego private mortgage insurance, PMI, which will cost hundreds of dollars a year. 2. Separate refinance loans also allows one to structure terms differently for each loan. One loan can be borrowed at a fixed rate, while the other one at an adjustable rate. There are many different options. One is only limited by their imagination, credit score and the condition of the property. For individuals who need a large sum of money fast, refinancing and cashing out the full value of one's home is one way to get it. There are many reasons that an individual may consider doing this. Paying for a child's college tuition, investing, purchasing more property, paying off debt, or making home repairs are a few reasons. Because one can lose their home if they are unable to pay back the loan, a 100% refinance should be carefully considered beforehand. There are likely to be higher monthly payments and private mortgage insurance, so one must be fully confident that will be able to successfully absorb these costs before proceeding. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.